Now here we am in my project, and I've already measured the kitchen and given the dimensions to Mayfair. They send a templating team and they use state-of-the-art technology to get millimetre perfect joins and cuts and make sure everything fits perfectly. What do you need from me?
Basically, what hob you're going for, dimensions of it.
I have it here. It's electric hob, 560 by 490. I take it is important to provide all the information today so you can go away and it's all done. Anything you want from me here about the sink?
You're going for a 1.5 bowl sink, so you need to decide which way would you like it. Like,
I think I would like sink here, big bowl, little bowl, and then the drainage grooves here. Anything else I need to decide on?
well, yeah, there is actually one question if you would like to have it in one piece, because it's possible.
All of this in one piece?
Yes, of course.
Well, that'd be great. I was imagining there would be a join there, but if we can have a big L shape in one piece, I think that will look incredible. So I've had a look online, and these are my 4 favourites that you brought me. I'm really happy that they're here now because I can see the effect of the light and what they look like against the kitchen. I think this porcelain is going to look great everywhere. So that's the one I'm going to choose. Thank you very much.
So one of the last things to decide is the edge profile, which include the price. You got 2 options of chamfer edge or pencil round edge, so 3.
I've not thought about this. Definitely chamfer.
Yeah.
Definitely. What's next?
Well, next is the manufacture, so manufacture is going to take a couple of days, but we should be back within the 10 working days.
What? Fitting within 10 days from now?
Yes.
Well, okay. Well, I look forward to seeing you in 10 days.